Good morning, students. This is Vijayalakshmi here, your business studies teacher. Nowadays we are doing topic motivation. Under motivation, today we will do Maslow's need hierarchy theory. We all know that any organization can succeed only when it has highly motivated and committed team of employees. Since motivation is a complex process, various researchers, they have given different theories. These theories help to develop understanding about motivation phenomena. Among all these researchers, one Abraham Lincoln, an eminent US psychologist, he gave this need hierarchy theory in 1943, and his need theory was based on human needs. He felt that within every human being there is hierarchy of 5 needs, and mainly these needs are physiological or basic needs. Second one is safety and security needs. Third one is affiliation or social needs. Fourth one is esteem needs, and fifth one is self-actualization needs. And this theory of Maslow depends upon various assumptions. These assumptions are: people's behavior is based on their needs. Satisfaction of such needs influences their behavior. Means if their needs are satisfied constantly, they motivate to satisfy their some other need. And needs move in hierarchical order, starting from basic needs to self-actualization needs. And people are motivated by unfulfilled needs. All these are assumptions of his needs. Now let's move to first type of need, that is physiological or basic needs. Now physiological needs are to be satisfied to keep a man alive, that is food, clothing, shelter, sleep, etc. So whenever a person has resources, first of all he would prefer to fulfill these physiological needs. After that, when these needs are fulfilled and he has sufficient resources, he thinks about satisfying his next level needs, which are safety or security needs. After fulfillment of basic needs, man thinks about safety, and safety it is of two types: physical safety and economic safety. Physical safety is against accidents, diseases. For that he take his insurance policies. Economic safety is for livelihood in future, arrangement for old age कि कहीं job security है, old age के लिए money save करना. So all these are safety and security needs. Now if all such needs are fulfilled, he is motivated to satisfy his next level need, that is affiliation or social needs. Man is a social being. He needs to attend others' joys and sorrows. So it refers to the need for affection, acceptance, friendship, etc. सोसाइटी में मूव करना, लोगों से मिलना जुलना, किसी के sorrows और happiness को join करना, that is affiliation or social needs. For all such needs also we need motivation for meeting others, for thinking about others. When all such needs are fulfilled, after that human being is move towards next level needs, that is esteem needs. Esteem needs means need for recognition, status, respect, etc. Suppose in physiological needs we need a cloth, we need food to satisfy our hunger, but in esteem needs we need branded cloth, we need good quality food, house in a good locality, all such facilities. These are esteem needs, means affiliation in the society, so that we can be recognized in society as esteemed person. Last of all, there comes self-actualization needs. Self-actualization means to maximize the potential that someone has. It applies to painters, singers, all such. To be proficient in music, someone poet, and a poet wants to be specialized in his field. So all these are self-actualization needs. To possess what you actually desire in your life, that is self-actualization. Now when we talk about this hierarchy related to individual, first of all individual is going to satisfy his basic needs. After that, stability in income as safety needs, as affiliation needs, friendship and relations, esteem needs, recognition in society, and last is self-fulfillment. And when we talk about that person as an employee in the organization, his first physiological need will be about his basic salary, then his medical allowance, his old age pension in the organization, good relation with colleagues, social needs, job designation, esteem needs, achievement of goals, self-actualization. These needs are in this order, in hierarchical order, while working in the organization as an employee, and these are as an individual. But there are certain criticisms also. Criticisms related to this is, it is not permanent charges, it is not permanent, it changes according to situation. Sometimes हमारी ये हायरार्की जो है टोटली चेंज हो जाती है बेटा. हमारी बेसिक नीड्स के पास हम कभी एस्टीम नीड्स को फुलफिल करते हैं, अपनी सोशल और इकोनॉमिक नीड्स को हम उसमें बीच में ओवरलुक कर जाते हैं. एट वन टाइम टू टाइप्स ऑफ नीड्स कैन बी इक्वली स्ट्रॉन्ग, ये भी इसका क्रिटिसिज्म है. Maslow theory has been widely recognized and appreciated. It helps managers to realize that need level of employees should be identified to provide motivation to them. However, Maslow's theory has been criticized by some writers. It is said that the need hierarchy may not follow the sequence stated by Maslow's hierarchy of needs, may be different for different kinds of people. For example, in case of creative people like singer, painters, their self-actualization may become the dominant motivation force even before their lower order needs are satisfied. वो पहले कहते हैं हम इसमें अपने आप को engross करें in spite of fulfilling our next below lower level 4 needs. But despite of such criticism, their theory is still relevant because needs, irrespective of their classification, are important to understand the human behavior. Thank you children. I hope it's clear to you. Thank you very much.